Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. According to scientists, this is the healthiest way to eat broccoli. The vegetable contains a compound known as sulforaphane, which previous studies suggest helps maintain blood sugar levels and is considered one of the most potent known substances against cancer. Who would have thought that this little tree would have such a great benefit, right? However, the benefits of sulforaphane are destroyed within minutes of cooking and require the broccoli to be damaged before it can be absorbed. A Chinese study suggests cutting the vegetables into pieces and letting them rest for 90 minutes before cooking them increases their sulforaphane levels by 2.8 times. Although it is unclear exactly why this occurs, the researchers believe that waiting before cooking chopped broccoli may allow the sulforaphane to build up. While this preparation may seem very problematic, previous research suggests that it may be worth the effort, as sulforaphane is poorly absorbed. How was the research done? The researchers from Zhejiang University bought several heads of broccoli from a local market. They divided the study groups into 3 groups. Some was left as it was, some was immediately cooked for 4 minutes, and the rest remained for 90 minutes before also being cooked quickly over high heat. Now you may be asking yourself, so I should cut the broccoli and let it rest for 90 minutes? Surely you don't have that kind of time to wait for your favorite vegetable to be ready. So scientists say that letting the broccoli rest cut up for 30 minutes is enough. According to them, it is important to chop the broccoli because the sulforaphane can only be absorbed if the vegetable is damaged. But rest assured, if you don't have 30 minutes plus preparation time to get this benefit, you can still get it. Researchers at the University of Reading found that adding mustard seed powder to cooked broccoli significantly increases the formation of sulforaphane. So before you eat broccoli, always have a jar of powdered mustard seeds on hand. In addition to these 2 benefits, eating broccoli helps prevent everything from arthritis to heart disease, and even keeps your gut healthy. According to research, mice fed broccoli are better able to tolerate digestive problems. Interesting, isn't it? Now that you know the healthiest way to eat broccoli, try this delicious vegetable for better health. If you like this tip, don't forget to like and share the video. I wish you good health. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.